Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about a spring reset. I know there are loads of people who put videos regarding keeping your home nice, about spring cleaning. I have never, since I started teaching how to take care of your house, ever supported spring cleaning, especially for sidetracked homemakers, people with ADHD, people who are just super busy. It's not going to be realistic. It sounds ideal in our brains that think we are these different people than we are, but we are not, nor are our homes perfect, right? So we are going to continue every single week, every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year with our consistency plan. That means that we are decluttering first for 15 minutes a day, 4 days a week, or if you're a payroll, for 1 hour on Saturday morning. We're decluttering zones in our house until they're all totally decluttered. We're supporting this with a clutter stop 3 times a day. This is the vitamin that prevents you from having clutter again. Clutter stops happen in the morning around breakfast time. If you're at home, around lunchtime. If you're not at home, when you get home. If you're working or if you've been out all day, when you get home. And finally, when you go to bed or right before the kids go to bed. Those are our 3 clutter stops. That keeps the clutter from reoccurring. So if you've been decluttering a specific space, you're going to make sure you also not just do that through the whole house, but give that area special attention to make sure your bad habits aren't coming back or the other family's members aren't coming back and recluttering. Okay. Next, we're going to do if it's decluttered, we're going to do deep cleaning. So once a zone is decluttered, you're going to do little deep cleaning jobs in there. So you never have to worry about spring cleaning. Spring cleaning is like, it came from when in the days when people had dirt floors, and after that, they might have had caulking in their walls and dirt came in their house. After that, people used coal for warming up their homes in the winter, and that coal dust was all over the walls. We don't live in those situations anymore. We live in very clean environments, whether you think so or not. And as long as you're doing your weekly home blessing and you're doing your zone cleaning, once you've gotten your clutter done, remember you can't deep clean clutter. Clutter has to be removed before you can clean, okay? But you're not going to have to do spring cleaning. All right, okay. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about. I know this video is a little shorter than normal, but there's not too much to say about it. So I want you to always remember, we don't spring clean. So when you get that idea in your head that you are someone else, that you are this imitation person that imitates everyone else and that is perfect in every way, and that's your ideal, I want you to shake that out of your head. You are not that person. You are you. And you know if your tendency is to be cluttery or tidy. You know, people who watch my videos tend to have clutter or have had clutter and want to maintain not having clutter. Or if you have clutter, want to get rid of the clutter and then maintain not having clutter. That's what my channel is all about. If you need personal care, if you feel like it's bigger than you can handle, or you just need somebody to hold you accountable, that's when you want to come over to my Patreon channel and enlist in having one of my tiers for helping you, me helping you personally. It's mentoring, and I will mentor you personally. I will help hold you accountable for things that you want out of your home. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a fantastic week. And I really hope that you always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.